this one. Yeah, thank you. Okay, yeah, this. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chong from Raysolve, and I'm the founder and CEO of the company. First off, thanks to TechBreak for the invitation, and I'm really glad to join this event in Eindhoven. And I would like to show you our latest work, the world's smallest full-color micro-LED light engines, built with our own quantum dot photoresist technology. I think it's a step towards making AR devices that fit seamlessly into daily life, and we are sure it will shape where the industry goes next. First of all, I will talk about the MR. In early 2024, ahead of Apple Vision Pro's launch, the tech world has massive expectations for the headsets could deliver. Then, right after its release, the Vision Pro sold out very quickly. Truly speaking, the Vision Pro delivered an immersive display experience like never before. This kind of execution is truly remarkable. Eventually, two major pain points is heaviness and high price become deal breakers that leads to the Apple Vision Pro's weak sales performance. That said, when it comes to collecting user behaviors data, I believe Apple has already gathered enough feedback to lay the groundwork for improving its next simplified Vision Pro models. Overall speaking, a slim and lightweight design is very important because our head is very sensitive. Even a little extra bulk or weight can quickly cause discomfort during long-term use. Today's market is dominated by AR glasses that pair micro OLEDs with web-up optics. Yet a key limitation persists. This combination fails to deliver a truly eyewear, eyeglass-like design, leaving the devices feel more like scaled-down VR hardware than everyday wearables. Definitely, you cannot use this outdoor. Eyeglass-like smart devices are advancing rapidly, and one standout achievement comes from Meta. Its AI glasses, co-developed with Ray-Ban, have far exceeded the sales forecast, with over 3 million units sold today. The product is a clear indicator of robust customer interest in glass-style smart devices. This success, in turn, built a strong foundation for the next phase of advanced AR glasses development. Just days ago, at Meta Connect 2025, Meta hit a key milestone. Launching the Meta Ray-Ban displays is the first AI smart glasses with built-in display. Packed with innovations like high brightness waveguide optics and gesture control via a neural band. Now all attention turns to its sales and market feedback. We are watching closely to see if it can replicate the success and become a new drivers for the consumer AR market. A true glasses-like experience is key to AR adoption. Yet developing such AR devices is highly challenging. Beyond standard eyewear basic design, weight, vision adjustment, critical AR specific factors like display quality, functionalities, contact, and battery life must be solved.